Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
GMC येतल्या दुयेंतींक सारको त्रातार करता लोकांच्यो कागाळी आयकोन घेना म्हूण चीफ मेडिकल ऑफिसराची खरड पडटी. CMO दोतोर रुद्रेश कुट्टीकाराक सस्पेंड करता म्हूण आरोग्य मंत्री विश्वजीत उलयलो. ते उपरांत बोवाळ जालो. बोवाळा उपरांत मंत्र्यान प्रुडंटाच्या हिडोनांत दोतोर रुद्रेशाची माफी मागली.
And it is important to have this chat because गोंयचे लोकांक कळोंक जाय की विश्वेश राणेचे भितर इगो बिगो काय ना. हांव जन्मला तेन्नाच्यान म्हजे वडील मंत्री आशिल्ले. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आय हॅव नेवर मूव्ड एनी फायल टू सस्पेंड द डॉक्टर. हांवें म्हणून गेलो हांव, पूण कित्याक हांवें आयज पर्यंत मूव करूंक ना, उलोवंक ना. हांव बी गोंयान ना, हांव आयज दनपारा आयला. पूण त्या सो आय एम अपोलोजायझींग टू डॉक्टर रुद्रेश कुट्टीकर दॅट आय शूड नॉट हॅव बिहेव्ड इन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर मॅनर. But discipline will not go anywhere. I am bound by the oath that I have taken in the Raj Bhavan. I am bound by the people of the state and accountable to the people of the state of Goa. So I तुझे मिडियाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान प्रमोद आचार्याच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हांव रुद्रेश कुट्टीकराक जर सेंटिमेंट हेजे अफेक्ट जाला, हांव ते डॉक्टर फ्रेटर्निटीक अपोलोजायज करता. म्हाका कांयच वायट दिसना.
मात जाहीर माफी मागची म्हूण GMCच्या दोतोरांची डिनाच्या ऑफिसा भायर आंदोलन.
We, the doctors of GMC, strongly condemn the abuse of the verbal abuse of our own colleague that happened in emergency medicine and trauma department casualty on Saturday by the honorable minister.
We have requested Dean sir to immediately pass an order which ends the VIP culture in this Goa, which deeply condemns the act, and any assaulter, henceforth whoever comes forward and abuses or threatens any doctor will be put on no treatment list.
डीन म्हणटा मागणी मंत्रालयाकडे धाडटा. व्हिडिओग्राफराचेर खंय FIR करपाची तयारी.
They said that this apology should happen in the premises of Goa Medical College, especially in the casualty where the incidents occurred, and to which I have conveyed the same to the office of the ministry, and I am awaiting the reply. Total ban on videography, including the press and media in the patient care areas. Demanded that we should put an FIR against the person who took a video in casualty on that said day. So that also it is we are calling the police inspector from Agaisem and we are putting an FIR on him also.
मजगती भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजितान 24 वरां भितर कॅज्युलिटी दिवन जाहीर माफी मागची म्हणून रुद्रेश कुट्टीकार मिडिया मुखार.
Our demand is that because of the incident is that we require a public apology in the casualty itself. That is our demand. Yeah, thank you.
Is it meaning to be the complete shutdown of the services of the hospital?
It will be complete
Shutdown of services of the hospital?
Of the because they have already given a message.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश रावत.